Hi, hello everyone. We are here in Altavida at napaka-accessible po natin. We are along National Road. So ayan po, nakikita nyo naman, may dumadaan po dito na bus going to Manila and going to Cabanatuan po yan 24/7 and po ang 5-star bus terminal. So napaka-accessible po ng ating subdivision at nag-offer po tayo dito ng single detached house, 3 bedrooms and 3 toilet and bath na ready for occupancy. So, ayan po, nakikita nyo naman po yung ating subdivision, napaka-accessible and wide road po. Hindi po binabaha pala dito sa San Rafael, Bulacan. So, napakaganda po mag-invest dito dahil meron po tayong in-offer na lot only. Kung gusto nyo lote lang po kayo magpapatayo ng sarili nyong dream home. And pwede naman po na townhouse for affordable house. 5,000 lang po yung reservation fee nun. And pag single detached naman po, 30,000 po ang reservation fee. So, ayan po. Kitang-kita nyo naman, Baliwag Transit, 5-star, yan po, dumadaan. May jeep din po kung gusto nyo na papunta kayo ng SM Baliwag. So, kung gusto nyo po mag-invest dito, hanapin nyo lang po ang broker ECY or ECY Realty para po ma-assist namin kayo dahil marami po kayong pagpipilian dito sa Altavida, San Rafael Estates by Philinvest. So, ayun lang po and I hope to see you here in our subdivision.